All right, let's talk about section 3 of module 8. And this is going to be emotional color mapping, mapping visual tone to desired audience emotion. So, now that you understand color psychology and the visual mechanics of authority, let's go deeper into emotional color mapping. What is that, right? Every brand, message, and piece of content has a desired emotional outcome. That's what your visuals should reinforce. When you design intentionally, you're not just picking colors. You're like mapping colors to feelings you want your audience to experience. And let's talk about how this works, because I know y'all are probably like, what the hell is emotional color mapping? So, number one, identify the core emotion. Ask yourself, how do I want my audience to feel when they see this? Do I want them to feel inspired? Do I want to feel calm, energized, empowered, safe? There's tons of feelings you could make them want to feel. The goal isn't a color that looks good, it's one that feels aligned, especially with your brand. Number two, choose a primary emotional color. Each emotion correlates to color frequency. Trust is blue, confidence, black or deep gold, energy, yellow or coral, luxury, gold, navy, deep plum, passion, red or fuchsia, peace, white, sand, or soft sage. This becomes your dominant palette anchor. Number three, layer with supporting emotions. Most brands and messages aren't one note. If your core color is blue for trust, add a supporting accent that communicates momentum, like coral, or creativity, like mint, which is the color I go for in this course. This layering gives emotional depth. It makes your visuals multidimensional. But then also remember, you don't want it to be a big mess either. Number two, match tone to stage of persuasion. Early awareness visuals thrive on bright, high energy tones. They attract curiosity. And so, one thing I wanted to say was that even though I'm an attorney, I got a bachelor's degree in marketing. And I remember one of the first lessons we learned was that color draws attention. So, even though we don't want it to look like a big mess, bright colors get people's attention and it makes them, just like I just said, curious. So, mid-journey visuals benefit from calmer palettes. They build trust and connection. Decision visuals need contrast, deeper tones that communicate stability and certainty. You're building emotion through a journey, from attraction to belief to decision. When your visual tone matches your persuasion stage, your content feels seamless. People don't feel sold to, they feel understood. And we know being understood is like what you want. It's the epitome of building trust. Number five, test for emotional alignment. Before finalizing a visual, pause and ask yourself, does this design feel like the emotion I'm trying to create? Your nervous system knows before your logic does. If something feels off, like too harsh, too dull, too chaotic, trust your instinct, y'all. Emotion always reveals truth before analytics do. That's emotional color mapping, persuasion through feeling, not guessing. Your visuals stop being decoration and start becoming emotional design. Design that tells the brain exactly how to feel.